Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to convert an image into Google Sheets. Let's begin. Google Sheets doesn't have a direct option to convert an image into sheet data. However, there are some ways to do it. Let's begin. Create a new tab and upload. Open Google Drive and upload a image, test image. Upload image in Google Drive, upload it, refresh it, okay. Then see this test image, open with Google Docs. Wait some moment, and now we can see this convert image to text. Then press Ctrl C, copy, and again go to your Google Sheets, open your sheets. Then click any cells, press Ctrl V, and now we can see this convert image into Google Sheets. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.